Hello viewers, today I am going to show you how to restore the cosmetic condition of JBL Flip. Before that, please subscribe to AudioViz 360 and hit the notification bell icon. Now let's start to restore it. You can see the condition of the speaker. There is a dent here and one more dent here and one more small dent here. So we'll remove this, we'll paint the grill and this silver color, and we'll clean this plastic part, this one here and here. Alright, let's start disassembling the speaker. Let's clean the speaker first. The speaker is clean now. Now let's start to remove this logo. Now let's clean this with Zoric and isopropyl alcohol. Let's remove this dent now. This one and this one. Alright, the dent is removed. There is no dent. Now let's do sanding over here with 600 or 800 grit. Then we will paint it. Now I am going to use this emery using bit water. I am going to sand it. First I will apply a little bit of water here. We will make the surface very smooth. Then we will clean the pores and make it dry. Then we will paint it. Alright, this is enough. Let's clean it with a dry cloth. Now there are some small particles inside this. Here you can see that we will remove using this toothbrush. Like this you have to do. Now let's clean this with cloth. That's it, this grill is ready to paint. Now we are going to clean this part and we will sand it again and we will do painting. Now we are going to clean this one to paint silver color. Let's clean this part. Now we will apply Zoric here and also isopropyl. Now I will sand this with 800 grit. Alright, sanding is done. Now it's time to paint the grill and this part. We'll paint black color to this and silver to this. Alright. Alright, now I am going to use this Bosny black color glossy spray. Shake well before use. Let's apply first coat, very thin layer. Alright, I have applied one coat. Now let's keep this aside and I will spray the silver part. Now I am going to use this silver color, silver number 36, company is Bosny. Shake well before use. Now let's apply the black color again. Second layer, thin layer. Let it dry for some time. You can see very clean finish without any dent, like brand new. Now I am going to apply the flat clear, which is lacquer flat clear. This is a transparent coating to protect the layer, black color of this one. This will protect the paint here, black color paint. So let's apply only one thin coat. I have already applied 3 thin layers of black color. Now this is the 4th layer, the only layer. Let's apply. This is enough. Alright, let's wait for some time, then we'll reassemble it. Alright, the grill is painted, you can see. And as well as this is painted. This has become new. Now before assembling it, let's clean these parts. Let's apply the Zurich. Let me clean it with a dry cloth. Alright, it's time to reassemble. I have cleaned the logo already. Now I am going to apply it. Alright, speaker is ready. There is no dent and all the silver part is perfectly fine. It looks like new. You can see. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz 360 and write comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye.